Hi, let's go a little further in depth with the DXG. Check out the intro and overview video linked in the description for the basics. The strike input allows for the programming of percussive sounds without the need for a voltage-controlled envelope generator. All you need to do is patch a gate signal directly to this input, and the DXG will create a percussive transient with a natural tail. The DXG's strike input is dynamic. This means that it responds differently to differing gate amplitudes at the input. Run your gate stream through an attenuator or VCA to hear the effect of this. I'm going to demonstrate using a zero control, which has a dynamic gate output. The amplitude of the gates at this output is determined by the setting of the string throw at each step. We can of course use the strike and control inputs at the same time to get a combination of transients and swells or whatever other envelope shape we might like. More subtly, the DXG's decay time changes dynamically with the frequency of whatever it is being modulated by. This behavior is primarily intended for the DXG to be able to be used with sequences of any speed while maintaining individual note articulations. In most cases, it's not going to be directly noticeable, but we can find direct evidence of it when modulating the DXG at very fast or even audio rates. Where it will continue to audibly modulate instead of blurring successive notes together the way a Vactrel-based low-pass gate would. Channel 2 has a set of individual outputs that can be used for parallel processing. As on the Optimix and the Modumix, these outputs are still present in the sum when patching them out. This way we can parallel process the gated signals from Channel 2 and mix them back in with the sum either further down the chain or using the auxiliary inputs. In this rainy day patch, I patched noise outputs from Spectrophone into Channel 2, low-pass gated them using the strike input, and then took the Channel 2 outputs to the QPAS for a resonated higher-pitched burst of sound to layer with the nice thick thump. I ran the QPAS through the Morphogene and continually re-recorded the splice for additional octave ups of these resonated pings. Then the output of the morphogene was routed back into the aux input of the DXG before sending the sum outputs through mimeophone for additional echoes. We'll go into more detail soon on how the DXG fits into the system when it comes to decentralized mixing a number of stereo and mono signals together. We'll also build up some patches from the patch corner section of the DXG manual, and who knows what other ideas and sounds may come to mind in the meantime. Do you have any questions about the DXG or patches you'd like to see? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and happy patching.